Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy to whiten yellow teeth and turn it to pearl white naturally. With very simple ingredients we can prepare super effective remedy that turn yellow teeth to white naturally. It whiten teeth at home and will get you the best results. The first ingredient we will need is 1 carrot, and we need to shred the carrot to get the fresh carrot juice. Once we shred around 2 teaspoons of fresh carrot juice, we need to strain it. And we need around 1 teaspoon of fresh carrot juice. Then we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Then we need toothpaste and add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. And mix the ingredients very well. Store it in room temperature for up to 1 week and use it every day to brush your teeth. It's going to whiten the teeth for you. From first use you will notice a great results, my friends. This is super effective remedy and super helpful.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.